Midday market mood check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, so far the week has been progressing pretty well
Yeah.
where the markets are concerned, given the fact that we are around that 19,350 mark, and the Sensex is also cruising above that 65,000 mark.
Hmm.
You know, as usual, it's the mid cap and small cap end of the markets that's outperforming, with the small cap index, of course, up 0.6% or thereabouts. Realty, once again, building on the gains that we saw yesterday, metals as a package shining, but what's not doing well was the PSU banking
Yeah.
lot. If you look at some of the gainers on the index, Hindalco, UPL, some of the chemical stocks doing well. Power Grid, Adani Ports, some of the gainers. And on the losing end, you have Airtel. We had a big block deal in the counter. So it's a top Nifty gainer. You have the likes of Dr. Reddy's, Axis Bank, IndusInd. So some of the private sector names also feature on the list of losers. In fact, some of the IT names were also there last time I checked, TCS and Tech Mahindra and the likes. Talking about some of the brokerage reports that have come out on Reliance Industries after yesterday's AGM, CLSA has once again come out with a report and they have retained the target price of 3,060 rupees with a buy a call. Jeffries also came out with a buy call with the target price of 2,950 rupees per share. It believes that Reliance Retail is likely to induct new investors after Mukesh Ambani the chairman did point out the fact that there's a strong global interest from marquee investors for stake in Reliance Retail. And Nomura, that's also come out with the buy call, target price of 2,925 rupees a share. It also believes that value creation for the next decade for Reliance Industries will be much more than what we have seen over the last 45 years. So all in all, very positive view coming in from brokerages on Reliance Industries. Also, I want to point out, I think that Jio Financial is trading with gains after, of course, the AGM highlighted the entry into insurance segment for Jio Financial. So this stock is doing pretty well. But of course, let's talk about mid caps.
Yeah.
Gokaldas Exports is one stock that's locked in upper circuit.
Yeah, upper circuit after the acquisition that they've announced in the Gulf region worth $55 million, and strong going for that stock. What's also doing well in the Nifty 500 or the mid cap space is GPPL, BEML, Phillips Carbon, Phenolics Pipes. All of these stocks are moving anywhere between 5 to 10%. In fact, BEML management was just here in the office talking about the big order wins that they have recently concluded in the railways and the defense space. So business is looking good. What's not doing well is the likes of Union Bank, stock down 6%, Pyramid Enterprises down 4%, Paytm is down 2% after Bank of America Merrill Lynch pointed out that JFL, yani Geo Financial Services, foray into the payment solutions business could be a threat to their business. What's also doing well, in the markets is the likes of Suzlon, stock is up 5%, Raymond is up 3%, Kalyan Jewelers, that is one stock which has hit a fresh 52-week high, stock is up 3%. SJVN, they've announced an order in Assam worth 1,900 crores for a hydropower project, and that stock after the order win is up 2%. And so is the case with Federal Bank, REC, JBM Auto. All of these stocks doing well and hitting fresh 52-week highs.
Right, a couple of other mid caps I want to point out. I think PG Electroplast, that stock was up 8% on plans to in fact raise somewhere around 500 crore rupees via QIP. And Gujarat Fluoro Investec has initiated call with a buy rating, target price of 3,450. This stock is also doing pretty well, and Som Distilleries was also doing good because they have got the nod to supply beers to Chhattisgarh. We also had a new listing, Pyramid Techno, and that listed at a premium of 13%. I think it had cooled off from the day's high last time I checked. But vis-a-vis IPO price of 166, it listed at somewhere around 187 rupees per share. But Yatin, going forward, we have quite a few things to digest, given the fact that we'll have the GDP data coming out on Thursday, and a lot of data point coming out in the US as well. So all that will be watched out for, and of course in the second half we'll watch out for whether or not the markets continue to edge higher or maintain the momentum that we are witnessing right now. So I think we've covered most of the movers and shakers in trade today, but of course we'll be back at 3:30 p.m. to get you all the action post market close. So tune in for that. But for now, it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for tuning in. For all your other news and updates, stay tuned to Moneycontrol.